In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your host key in Zoom, which is the 6-digit PIN used to claim host privileges in specific meeting scenarios. Understanding your host key's utility can significantly streamline managing your meetings, especially when you're coordinating in various environments or using different devices. Let's take a journey together to uncover where exactly to find this important feature, and I'll walk you through each step with ease and clarity. First, you'll need to initiate the process by signing into the Zoom web portal. This is the web-based interface, which differs slightly from the application on your desktop or mobile device. Once you're logged into the Zoom web portal, you'll notice a menu on the left side of the screen. This is your navigation panel, and we'll be focusing here to find what we're looking for. Look for the option labeled Profile and click on it. Your profile is the hub for all your Zoom settings and configurations. As you scroll down your profile page, keep an eye out for a section called Host Key. This section is your key to assuming or reclaiming host duties when necessary. Now, once you've found the Host Key section, you may see an eye icon next to it. This icon is like a virtual peek inside a lock. Clicking on the eye icon will reveal your current host key. It's important to take a moment and contemplate whether this is the host key you wish to use or if you had something else in mind. If you wish to change your host key to something more memorable or secure, you're free to do so. Simply click on Edit, type in your desired 6-digit PIN, a number that's easy for you to recall but not easily guessed by others, and remember to hit Save. This step is crucial because it updates your host key to the new number you've chosen. A quick note, your host key acts almost like a key to your house, allowing access to those who know it, so safeguarding it is paramount. You'll need this key in a variety of circumstances. For instance, you might need it if you've joined a meeting before the designated host has arrived and wish to assume hosting responsibilities. Similarly, if you're calling in via phone or conference device and want to claim the role of a host, your host key will allow you to do so easily. Additionally, should you be using a more complex setup like a H323/SIP system or a Zoom room, the host key will enable you to start meetings as the host right from the get-go. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering your meetings with the flexibility the host key provides. Thank you for joining me today, and feel confident in securing your Zoom meetings more effectively.